Hey, it's Charlie Greenman. I just wanted to make a quick demo showing off what it's like to set up Razroo for the first time. There have been a lot of people that were just curious about, okay, what would that process look for the first time? So I'm just going to go ahead and share my screen and walk you through sort of what that process will look like for the first time. So if you go to Razroo for the first time, razroo.com, you'll end up seeing this landing page. You can click on the Get Razroo free button, and that's going to take you to sign up. I'm actually just going to create a random user for myself right now. Let's call it Charlie 450 at razroo.com for the password. I'm not going to show you what that is, but I'm just going to put that in. And so I'm going to sign up for Razroo. Razroo is going to ask me what my first name and last name is when I go into the application for the first time, and it's going to use that for my user. So I'm going to create that. I'm going to call it Charlie Greenman is now my name. And as soon as I'm in, you're going to see now you have a 14-day trial period. Next, you'll open up this Go button, and it's going to ask you to click on the Authenticate VS Code button to add the VS Code plugin. So you click on that. It's going to take you over to the Razroo. It's going to take you over to the Razroo VS Code plugin. Click on Install, and it's going to install that plugin for you. And I have right now just a mock project that's currently set up. So we're just waiting here for the Razroo plugin to initialize and to start. And as soon as the Razroo plugin initializes, it should open that up for you in the new browser. So we'll just wait for that. If it's the first time actually starting a project, we'll have to manually click on the Go button. So we're going to click on the Go button. It's now sending us over to razroo.com, the VS Code auth to authenticate. Fantastic, we're in. Let's just go ahead and let's generate a random data table component for our Razroo Angular starter. For our project name, let's just do that as Razroo Angular starter. And we're going to generate this into our libs UI folder. Let's click on generate. And now if we go back to our code editor, my mouse is just acting up here. Here we go. If we go back to our folder file tree, and if we go back to libs UI, we have our name, whatever, we forgot to change name to something more meaningful, but we have our data table component. So that's it. That's all it takes. I just wanted to show that so people kind of understand what is involved in that process. As you can see, that took me maybe 30 seconds, 45 seconds, and that's it. All right, enjoy.